Who's on the phone?
Daddy.
Yeah.
Who am I talking to?
Who are you talking?
Mommy.
No, who's this? Who's the little girl?
Auntie.
Hi, Audrey.
Say,
Mommy.
yeah, and Mommy's here too. Who were you just talking to? Who were
Yaya.
we? Yeah.
Were you talking to Yaya?
And?
Papu.
Papu.
Yeah.
Very nice. Did you have a good day?
Yeah. More?
You want more milk? Okay, I'll try it.
Water.
You want your water?
Water.
Okay, I'll get your water in a second, okay? I can't leave you right now because you're sitting on the counter.
Oh.
Can you tell Daddy I love you?
I love you.
Oh, thank you. I love you too.
Carrie said she had a good day. Oh,
Bye-bye.
okay. Bu-
I'll hear the details later.
Okay.
Okay,
Bye, Daddy. Love you.
Mama.